Did you know that you no why do I keep missing my intro? Okay. Hello. No. What's up, Transformers? Did you know that Instagram has over 1 billion visits every month? Like, that is just wow. I think it passes YouTube. YouTube has like 100,000 visits a month. Don't check that fact.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
It's not reliable. Anyway. So today I'm starting this this channel. Yeah, this channel. It's taken a long time. I did this, very long time. I have another channel which I dispose of, but then I'm starting this new one today, and I know it's not according to the name. How can I be putting an Instagram fix on a channel that is transform minds and sort of? But since it's my first video for this channel, I just thought of I could make it like a giveaway fix. And I don't know if others have posted it, but then let's get into the video. So I'll be starting the intro now. So okay. What's up? Okay, so let's get in the video. So right now I have two apps here, and the first one is Play Store. You can go to Play Store to download the Instagram. By the way, follow my channel down there. You can see the Transform Minds. Just search for it on YouTube and it will pop up. It's a new channel, so help me out. Anyway, you can go and search on Play Store for Instagram. I already downloaded it, so and I don't want nobody in the comment section saying you should have deleted the Instagram before doing this so you can install it twice we see blah 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 blah. Anyway, I'm not going to waste my time. Let's get straight into the video. So don't mind my reviews, but then this is the Instagram app. It's cool, and yeah, you can go over it, but then this Instagram app, you can download it here where it says open. If I didn't download it before, it would have said install. So install it and let's get into it. So I'll just press open at once. So when you go into the Instagram app, you have so many features on Instagram. If you want me to do a features video, which it's unlikely I'll even do that, number one. So we all know that if we engage like in succession, Instagram has a limit of 50 likes per hour. So if you like over 50 posts in less than an hour, you get an automatic block. Imagine you enjoying your schooling, typing fast, you messaging, and then you liking the post and you commenting, and all of a sudden you see action block. Come on, yeah, it's difficult. So I won't get my own account action block. I've had it a couple of times, but you could try it. And if you get blocked, this is a fix for you. For example, these are my engagement groups, and yeah, you go into this, you like it like this, you go into the next one, you like it like this, you go into the other one and you like it like this, and you just do this for like a couple of times, up to like 50 times in less than a minute or in less than 5 minutes or so on, and you get an action block. And once you get the action block, you can't like or comment or whatever in for hours, and sometimes they forget about you. You know, COVID-19. Yes, COVID-19 causing everybody to be locked up and locked down and whatsoever. So COVID-19 has caused so many problems, and it will be a long time before they unblock again. So here's the fix. It's simple. I don't even know why I'm talking to plenty, but I'm back. So you head over to your profile, and yeah, I have 1030 followers. You can join to it. Just search for whatever you see on the screen. Yeah, search for it and you can join and be a part of a transformer. Oh, be a transformer, sorry. So let me see. So now we're here. What do we do next? You can suggest what to do if you already know, but then you go to your settings. Hold on, settings, and then you log out. It's very simple. Yeah, so it's easier to just log in. So you log in into the account, and voila, the block should have been gone by now. You can try liking again, and you see that it will work. It's just a little fix, and yeah, I know it's not much, but then it's a giveaway as my first video on this channel. So yeah, that is just a simple fix, and you can do it as much as you want. You can get blocked for like up to 100 times a day. If you do, you can do it like after every time. As you get blocked, you can unblock it again. Get blocked, you can unblock it again. And I hope Instagram don't find this video, so you can't mind. It will be bad. So yeah, that's the fix. Thank you, and subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, and just tell me your crazy thoughts, and I would like to hear them. So yeah, share my channel, share the Instagram account, and be a part and become a transformer. Thank you.